Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you all? Hope so you are fine. Today we will learn at words. Wow, look here is a and this is t. At दोनों फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे और इनकी साउंड बन जाएगी at 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 ओके क्लास, अब हम फ्रेंडशिप करेंगे सी ख की at के साथ. At cat, at cat, at cat. Tell me what is this? Very good. This is b at bat. This is bat. B at bat. Wow, look here is h. H at hat. At hat. Very good. Look here is r at rat. At rat. Repeat with me. At rat. This is f and its sound is f at fat. What is this? This is fat. F at fat. F at fat. Now tell me what is this? Very good. This is M and its sound is m at mat. M at mat. Repeat with me. M at mat. Class, now read with me. B at bat. B at bat. K at cat. K at cat. R at rat. R at rat. F at fat. F at fat. M at mat. M at mat. H at hat. Hat. H at hat. This is all about at family words. Hope so you enjoy the video. Kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.